Okay, this is also from the September 2016 release. Gemini 200 Southwest with the hot livery. This ain't hot one, but it is with the hot livery, the new livery. Boeing 737-800 G2SWA609, and the registration number is N8662F. And this also features the new in-flight or on-ground display with the landing gear being removable. It comes with a tripod stand. It's the short one. New livery colors, the hot livery. The Southwest rolled out, I think last year, or maybe this year, I can't remember. Features again, it comes with the new antennae and the low communication bump, the Wi-Fi. Winglets. And this on the ground, you can display it in flight. Comes with the little packs. I'm going to take out the landing gears. And again, it comes with the little short tripod. I'm not sure how Gemini comes up with, because I've seen the long ones, so I don't know if it's just random. It's very random when they put in the stand. Of course, this one does come with the landing gears. So let me get landing gear covers and the little sticks. And I think these little sticks are supposed to help with taking out the landing gear.